Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I was looking through your packet that you guys got for this week, and I thought it might be helpful to go back through one of the questions that you guys have to do in that packet this week, just to remind you how slope and slope intercept form works. So hopefully that can help you out a little bit with this. So if you look at page 37, questions 8 and 9, I'm going to go in the other order because it makes more sense to me to do 9 than 8. So we're going to do 9 first and then 8. But question 9 says, what is the slope of each line on the graph? So the graph in your book has printer A and B. We're just going to look at printer A to make it easy. So for number 9, it says, what's the slope? So just a reminder that slope is always rise over run. So when we look at this, we can look at either the graph or the table because they're showing us the same thing. So if we look at the graph, all we're looking for, and my graph doesn't look very neat, but I tried my best. If we look at this, we want to know rise to run from each point. So I've got 2 points here and here. So if we look at this one, we can go over and then up. So we're just going to look how far up did it go. So from 40 to 80, so that's 40. It went over from 1 to 2, so that's 1. So our rise would be 40. Our run is 1. So our slope, which remember is m, is just 40 for printer A. The question asks for printer B too. I'll let you guys try that one. Remember, we can also do it with the table too if that makes more sense to you. We can pick any 2 points. So if we look at 2 and 3, our pages down here was our y, minutes was our x. So our rise, we go from 80 to 120. That's 40. 2 to 3 is 1. And 40 over 1 again is still 40. So either way you want to do it, when we're looking at slope with tables or lines, your packet asks you to do both. Both get you 40. So number 8 then asks for an equation. So remember, our equations are always y equals mx plus b. M is our slope, b is our y-intercept, or our starting point. Most of your questions this week, b is going to be 0. And if you look at it here, it's 0. At 0 minutes, we print 0 pages, so it doesn't make sense. So we're not even going to worry about that for this question. So we know our slope is 40. So we know our equation then is just y equals 40x. Hopefully that helps. Most of your questions look something like this week in the packet. Next week's are a little bit harder if you're jumping ahead, but I hope you guys are all doing well, staying healthy and safe, and hopefully I get to see you soon.